Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Now I would like to explain chapter 2. It is about unity and coherence. Alright, so when you write a paragraph or many paragraphs, you have to really consider about unity of your writing. Okay, so what does unity mean? So unity means that a paragraph discusses one and only one main idea from beginning to end. So you may not have different main idea. All right, so like what I've told you in a previous meeting, when you discuss about an artist, so you have to start with that artist and then you have to finish with that artist too. You may not start with something else. So for example, you want to discuss about an apple, so it is impossible for you to discuss about a banana. All right, so unity, for example, in this case, if your paragraph is about the advantages of owning a compact car, discuss only that. Do not discuss the disadvantages. So you only focus on the advantages. All right, furthermore, discuss only one advantage, such as gas economy, in each paragraph. If you begin to discuss another advantage, start a new paragraph. All right, so you have to really consider about the main idea of each paragraph. All right, next. The second part of unity is that every supporting sentence must directly explain or prove the main idea. Okay, so when you in writing a paragraph, of course you are going to write a topic sentence, right? Now for writing the supporting sentence, which is actually after the topic sentence, the supporting sentence must directly explain or prove that main idea. For example, here in a paragraph about the high cost of prescription drugs in the United States, you could mention, buying drugs from pharmacies outside the United States as an alternative. But if you write several sentences about buying drugs outside the United States, you are getting off the topic and your paragraph will not have unity. Alright, so practice one here. This is what you have to do. The three paragraphs that follow here, paragraph 1, 2, and so on, all discuss the same topic. Only one of them shows unity. Okay, so you read those paragraphs, and then among those paragraphs, you only choose one paragraph that is good in unity. All right, and then you answer these three questions: which paragraph has unity, which paragraph does not have unity because it discusses two different topics, and then which paragraph does not have unity because it has sentences that are not related to the main topic. Okay, answer this question. Next, B, the exercise. Both of the following paragraphs break the rule of unity because they contain one or more sentences that are off the topic. Alright, so this is the step that you have to do. Locate and underline the topic sentence of each paragraph. So you have to find the topic sentence first. And then step 2, cross out the sentence or sentences that are off the topic. So you find out the sentences that are not connected or related to the topic. Next, C. Both of the following paragraphs not only have sentences that are of the topic, but also discuss two or more topics. So here, what you need to do is decide where each paragraph should be divided into two paragraphs, underline the topic sentence of each. And then step 2, find sentences that are off the topic and cross them out. Okay, so step 1, look at this. Decide where each paragraph should be divided into two. Why into two? Because maybe that paragraph discuss two topics. Okay, as we discussed earlier, that one paragraph should contain only one topic, not more than one topic. All right, so paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. Now after talking about unity, we're talking about coherence. So when you are writing something, it is a must for you to consider the coherence of your writing. But maybe you are confused what coherence means. Okay, so here another element of a good paragraph is coherence. Okay, what does it mean? So coherence means when the sentences must hold together. That is, the movement from one sentence to the next must be logical and smooth. There must be no sudden jumps. Yeah, each sentence should flow smoothly into the next one. Okay, so when you write your sentences, your paragraph, you may not only combine the sentences into one, but you have to make in such a way, yeah, that paragraph into a beautiful paragraph which flows smoothly. All right, so here there are four ways to achieve coherence. First, repeat the key nouns. Second, use consistent pronouns. Three, use transition signals to link ideas. And then four, arrange your ideas in logical orders. All right, we're going to discuss this in detail. All right, look at this one first. Repetition of key nouns. This one, yeah? You repeat the key nouns. What is it? So the easiest way to achieve coherence is to repeat key nouns frequently in your paragraph. Read the model here about goal, the model paragraph, to see how it uses this technique. Okay, we're going to see this. We have this very good paragraph, which is gold. Look at this. Gold, a precious metal, is prized for two important characteristics. First of all, gold, see, you repeat the key noun, gold. Okay, therefore, it is suitable. It here refers to gold, means that you repeat the key noun. And then gold again with it, gold, gold plated heat, gold, it. All of the things that the words that I have already highlighted, it refers to the same word. It repeats the key nouns, which is gold here. So you should have circled the noun gold 7 times. There are 7 gold here. Pronoun for gold twice, and then it for gold 3 times. All right. There is no fixed rule about how often you repeat key nouns. So you should repeat a key noun instead of using a pronoun when the meaning is not clear. So when the meaning is not clear, you have to repeat the key noun. But when it is clear enough, you may use pronoun. All right. What does it mean? You will have the exercise there. Okay, look at this. Paragraph without coherence. Okay, so see this paragraph. Read this paragraph. It is actually the same paragraph as gold before, yeah, but we change all of the gold word with it. When you read this, please read this at home, it will become confusing. It will become not clear. So that's why you have to know when you have to repeat the key noun, or you have to replace the key noun with the pronoun. Okay. Now look at here, yeah? Gold is a precious blah, blah, blah. First of all, it has, okay, it's still clear. Therefore, it's suitable, okay, it's still clear. It never ends to be polished and will remain, okay, it's still clear. Another of its important characteristics is its usefulness to industry and science. For many years, it has been used in hundreds, such as photography and dentistry. Its most recent use is in astronaut suits. Astronauts wear heat shields made from it for protection, blah blah blah. It is treasured not only for its beauty but also for its utility. So this paragraph loses its coherence because of the unclear it from the beginning to the end. All right. Okay, now you have to practice here. Repetition of key noun. A. In the following paragraph, the key noun is never repeated. Replace the pronoun it with the key noun English wherever you think doing so would make the paragraph more coherent. So this is the things that you have to do. Replace the pronoun it, so you have it here, with the key noun English. So you have to replace it with English. Wherever you think doing so would make the paragraph more coherent. So when it is necessary, all right. If it is more appropriate with it, then do not change it. Okay. Next, B. In the following passage about dolphins, replace some of the pronouns with appropriate singular or plural nouns. So you have to replace some of the pronouns with appropriate singular or plural nouns. Okay. Now, key noun substitute. Substitute means you change it, yeah, with another word. If you do not wish to repeat a key noun again and again, you can use synonyms or expressions with the same meaning. Okay, so you have to substitute or you have to use another word, which is the synonym, the word that has the same meaning, yeah, to that key noun. Okay, for example, in sentence 8, yeah, in the first paragraph about gold, the writer substitute the noun use as a synonym for application here in sentence 8 and 7. All right, see this. Yeah, for many years, it has been used in hundreds of industrial applications, such as photography and dentistry. The most recent use, all right, okay, actually, the use here is the same as application, but the writer used different words. Okay, next. Okay, please do this practice 3. Step 1, in the topic sentence of the following paragraph, underline the key noun that names the topic. Step 2, circle a repetition of the key noun, the repetitions, the pronoun that refer to the key nouns, and then the synonyms that are substitutes for the key nouns. This is your guidelines. You should have a total 10 circles, 3 circles around key nouns, 3 around pronouns, and 4 around synonyms. This is your guideline. So you have to find this, yeah, in this paragraph. Okay, now consistent pronouns. When you use pronouns, okay, another thing for coherence, yeah. Another thing that you have to do is by using consistent pronoun. Make sure that you use the same person and number throughout your paragraph. Don't change from you to he or she, from he to they. You have to be consistent. Okay? Notice the changes the writer made for consistency in the following example. For example, a student who knows a few Latin and Greek roots and prefixes has an advantage over a student who does not know them. See? They can often, see? The author used they. It is not consistent to a student. A student is singular while they are plural. Alright? So it is not consistent. That's why you have to change it in such a way so that it's consistent. So it's better for you to change it this way. Students who know a few Latin and Greek roots and prefixes have an advantage over students who do not know them. They can often guess, so they here is consistent with students because it's plural. Alright? You can read at home the rest of the paragraph. Next, practice 4. Using consistent pronoun, what you have to do is the pronouns are not consistent, correct them. So you have to correct them here. Next, transition signals. The things that you have to do to make your paragraph smooth or coherent is by using transition signals. So you do not combine sentences again and again, but you have to make it smooth. For example, you can use however, you can use therefore, you can use nonetheless, and so on. You will have the list later. Okay. Transition signals are expressions such as first, finally, however, or phrases such as in conclusion, on the other hand, and as a result. Or you can see here, there are many. Yeah. Now, see? Transition signals give a paragraph coherence because they guide your reader from one idea to the next. Now, this is the things that you have to do. Transition signals, yeah. Please do it. Compare paragraph 1 and 2 that follow here. Which paragraph contain transition signals and is more coherent? Circle all the transition signals you can identify. Do it, okay? Oh, no, no, no. It's already discussed, so you do not do it. Just skip it. Do not do it, yeah? Just skip it. I have already highlighted this. Now, this is the example. So, from paragraph 1 and paragraph 2, yeah, please compare. See, one difference among the word session. It's all just sentences without any transition signals. Look at here, paragraph 2. Yeah, the writer at, for example, there are two. First of all, therefore, oleh karena itu in Indonesian. Second, consequently, oleh sebab itu atau akibatnya, ya. On the other hand, di sisi lain, furthermore, selain itu. So, even though there are combination of sentences